assets now. So as you can see, why software defined vehicles are coming to picture now. Let's try to understand what are the uh, challenges we are currently facing with SDVs. Uh, One particular issue is the sophistication of the software. So at present, any car on an average will have roughly 150 million lines of code. 150 million. Okay. Now that is just with the current setup. Now imagine when you're doing more software hardware integration, more hardware components being brought under the control of the software, then more software components will get added. And when you add more and more, there are more chances that some errors might pop up, some vulnerabilities will be there, some bugs might come up, and we have to make sure that we are addressing each of them so that the customer doesn't find out, and the that does not result in an escape, or in other words, basically it does not result in any undesirable event for the customer. Next thing is that everything is being brought under the control of software. You have to make sure that there is much more robust security policies being placed. Cyber security basically is what I'm talking about. So you have to make sure that there are proper firewalls, or proper data safety techniques being set up in the vehicle, so that no one can misuse the vehicle, or no one can break into the vehicle. uh, Another aspect of why cybersecurity must be implemented is because when we have this software monitoring different aspects of the car, even the user's inputs, that is a whole set of data. Okay. And this data is what is being used by the car manufacturer to understand, okay, this is how the user is interacting with the car or with the vehicle. And maybe if I can add this product, this if I can add this next product to the market, maybe I can generate more revenue out of it. So this particular data must not be misused by anyone. And in that sense, certain cybersecurity measures must be placed where this data does not fall into any third party. Okay, anyone who is not supposed to get hold of this data.
Plus, no one would like any hacker to have like remote access of your vehicle and play with you like you are some toy, right?
And then, of course, you have the problem of the lack of talent pool. Okay, talent pool in the sense that currently how you we have individuals more focused towards the automotive sector, basically the hardware aspects or the software aspects. We don't have a discipline which is particularly dedicated towards software defined vehicles. So uh, the talent pool is currently being brought up with the proper training, must be brought up actually with proper training, and with the proper resources being made available for them. But then again, some, if I had to suggest any graduates, okay, or any type of engineering who are more suited for this role, that would be mechatronics, or say automotive engineers. Okay, automotive engineers in a sense, not who are especially into the hardcore mechanical stuff, but who have a touch of software. So primarily I'm mainly talking about mechatronics, someone like me. But yeah, you get the point. We basically need individuals who are into the realm of both hardware and software. Okay, so with that said, I think I have spoken pretty much about why, what an SDV is, what are different layers involved in SDV, what are the advantages for both the car manufacturer and the customer, and what are the current setbacks or the challenges we are facing with the implementation of an SDV. I believe this video might have made some sort of value addition to you. Um, if you think I have missed any point while I created this video, just let me know in the comments down below. That will be definitely helpful for someone else who is watching this video. Okay, so with that said, I think it's time to say see you, and we'll meet in the next one.